What's going on, everybody? Your boy is so excited because tonight I purchased my first NFT, my first non-fungible token, and I can tell you, it cost me a pretty penny. It costs a little bit of money. I'm not really tripping on that because I know I'm already gonna make my money do gymnastics. It's gonna turn flips. And all I can say is I'm excited, man. And I would normally not do this video on Points Blank Travel, but I can tell you, I'm going to give an in-depth video or in-depth explanation of how I did it on my second channel, Points Blank Finance. But I just had to come out here, man. I've been talking about it, and I'm a firm believer. And when you talk about it, you need to be about it. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Travel, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about credit. We talk about credit cards. We talk about points, miles, personal finance, and everything in between. If that's something you're interested in, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. You never know who could be looking for information like this. Share it with your cousin. Share it with your cousin's cousin. I don't care who you share it with. Just share it with someone. And make sure you do me a favor. Check out my various links down in the description below for all of the credit card offers that I have. Also, make sure you check out my Patreon group because I post articles on how to build credit, how to obtain credit cards, different credit card bonuses that are out there. Make sure you check that out. And with all that being said, First NFT, your boy is in the house, man. I'm so excited, it's ridiculous. And with all that being said, let's roll, baby. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and show you. I had to open up an OpenSea account. Here it is, OpenSea. And, you know, I got my little profile picture. I got my little PBT banner and all that stuff going on. And then I had to actually purchase some Ethereum. I already had the Ethereum ready. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency. It's the #2 cryptocurrency only behind Bitcoin. And it's currently trading at $2,737.90. It's up 9.44% today. And I'm not going to get too deep into that because this is not a Points Blank Finance video. This is not talking about how much crypto costs. I just kind of want to go through some of the steps, and I'm going to do an in-depth video on Points Blank Finance on how I purchased this NFT, man, and I am so excited. So I do want to go over here, and matter of fact, I'm gonna go here. All right, that's where I wanted to go. This is my NFT, ladies and gentlemen, Lazy Bunny NFT number 1140, and it cost me 0.27 Ethereum. We're gonna get down into it in a minute. How much money was it? What did it cost me? And I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I thought it was gonna be 0.27 Ethereum, and I was ready for that. But there was a surprise. They had an extra network fee that was on top of that. That cost me another $95. I'm not really tripping. But man, my little homie, he's got the ascot. I got him because, you know, as much as I could. He got the brown color, the chocolate skin like your boy got. He got the blue jacket on. And right now, all-time average price is 0.27 Ethereum. It's not really much more to look at here. Well, actually it is. Let me go back down here because I'm looking at sales. And this person here had it, and now I have it. Now it's mine. But I want to see how much is 0.27 Ethereum. Let's just get down into that. So I'm going to type 0.27. And keep in mind, there was roughly a $100 charge. Miners fees, whatever that was. I don't know what that was, but that's what it cost me. But that total price of this was $740.14. $740 is what it cost me to get this NFT, and I'm not even upset, man. I'm excited because I know I'm gonna do gymnastics and I'm gonna make this NFT flip just like I do every other investment that I have. Man, I just wanted to come on here real quick and just say, hey, yo, Yo, your boy got his first NFT. And I know you want to hear the overall exact way of how I did it. Check out my second channel, Point Blank Finance. I just wanted to come out here on PBT and talk about this because I'm excited. Do me a favor if you haven't done so. Subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. You never know what I'm going to talk about when it comes to finance. And with all that being said, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more knowledge, dropping more boulders. And until the next time, peace, baby.